Hey guys, Ali here. Welcome to my channel Solid Trades. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the best features that ThinkorSwim has is the on-demand feature, which basically lets you go back in time anytime, from today in the past, and you can trade real time. So this is a great way to practice your trading without losing any of your money. Let me show you how cool it is. So simply what you do is you go to click this on-demand feature in your ThinkorSwim platform. Okay, I'm assuming that you already have a ThinkorSwim platform by TDAmeritrade, and you open it up and then you go to on-demand feature and you click on it, and basically it takes you back in the past. You can see calendar option here. You can click on it. You can go back anytime in the past, and you can select any date, any time, and it will take you to that time. For example, let's say if I do 9:25 and hit OK, look what's gonna happen. It's gonna go back and go by 5 more minutes. Now, as you can see, the stock's moving, the price is changing, and you can start practicing. Simply, for example, let's say if I want to buy 200 shares here, so I just simply type 200, or let's say I want to buy 300 shares. Right here, there's a good support line here. It just happened to be a good example. It's a good support line here, so let me just buy 300 shares. So I simply click buy, and boom, I'm in with 300 shares at $325, which is around the support area. And I can just sit, wait and see what happens, right? But the cool thing about this feature is that you don't have to wait. You can just simply click a few more minutes ahead. Let's say just 45, like 10-20 minutes, let's say. All right, so I hit 20 minutes up, and let's see what happens. So now in 20 minutes, we bought it here, and since it went up, I'm up about $300. Now, obviously, you bought 300 shares, that's why I'm up $300. It depends, it's up to you how many shares you buy, and stuff like that, etc. Bottom line, it's a great way to practice your trading and actually see what happens, and you have enough idea of how the stock market works without putting in your real money. Okay. Another features that it have that you can actually fast forward your trading. So you can fast forward by 3 times by clicking this button here, and now it will just work. It will just go 3 times faster. Okay. You can come here and you can reset as well. So you can just, if you hit reset, it will clean up all your accounts and you'll start as fresh. So you can practice again and again and again. You can find patterns. Let's say it's forming a pattern here. Now it's a good place. Actually, it's a good place to buy because above this pattern it's breaking. This could be a good place to buy. So if you want to trade pattern trading, you can trade pattern. Let's say I buy here again, about 300 shares here again. And now if I want to see if I was right or wrong, I can just simply go back. Let me just go back. Let me just go forward. Let's say I want to do 15 minutes ahead. So I just go 10:16. All right. So you can see after 10 minutes, I'm a little bit up money, right? And it's going up now, and I don't know what's going to happen, but that's what the whole point is, that you can practice and get better on the weekends, anytime, at night, and then come back the next trading day even stronger, even better. Okay. So that's the whole video. I just want to show this helped me a lot whenever, especially I have a bad day. Let's say that I lost money last Monday. I go back to last Monday and I trade and see how could I have done it better, right? This is a great way. This is the best tool in my opinion to learn. This is the best way to learn. And you don't have to ask for anybody's help, and you can just do it by yourself. All right. So let me know in the comments below if this video helps. If it's something that you'll be willing to use, or if it's something that you think is going to be helpful or not. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.